On the logistics industry, challenges are ever present. How can end-to-end efficiency truly be achieved? Conlida's DWS Plus single item separation sorting system is the breakthrough solution to this challenge. Unloading, allocation, weighing, dimensioning, scanning, and sorting of parcels are difficult parts to optimize in logistics and warehouse workflows. Conlida addresses the growing demand for speed in domestic logistics with an innovative all-in-one solution. This integrated system combines single-item separation (DWS) and intelligent sorting, all powered by advanced computer vision algorithms. It significantly improves efficiency by replacing traditional manual processes in unloading, sorting, and scanning. It repositions, separates, and intelligently queues parcels, transforming bulk packages into neat, orderly single-item flows. This effectively eliminates issues caused by manual misplacement, disorganization, and overlapping. With dynamic DWS, it enables 360-degree, six-sided barcode scanning without blind spot, integrated with intelligent sorting, fully automated item feeding with no manual placement needed, automatic destacking to eliminate parcel piling, accurate single-piece separation, spacing control, and auto-centering, achieving complete automation in transport and sorting, significantly increasing accuracy while reducing human interference. Sorting efficiency up to 7,000 pieces per hour, single-piece separation rate of up to 99.9% correct, maximum sorting weight of 50 kilograms. The thinnest sorting height can be as low as 10 millimeters. Modular design allows easy installation and maintenance, with strong adaptability and flexibility. Conlida DWS Plus single-piece separation and sorting system, opening a new era of efficient, accurate, and intelligent sorting. Want to know more about logistics sorting equipment? Wait for you to come.